We can also perform some basic statistics. So that's what we are going to do next. Okay, so whenever you call variants, you can perform the basic statistics just to scan through your result, and then you can proceed with the other analysis. So let's perform some basic statistics. We are going to count the number of variants. So to count the number of variants, we can say zgrep -v-c. We indicate a pattern here and we specify the file, which should be variant.raw.vcf.gz. And then we run this command. So this will give us the number of variants. I have a separate tutorial that gives 4 different commands you can use to count the number of variants. So if you are interested, you can watch that video. The link is in the description box. So let's proceed. Now we have the number of variants. We can also count the number of SNPs or indels. If let's say you want to count the number of SNPs, there's a way. If you want to count the number of indels, there's a way to do it. So I'll show you both. So let's start with the SNPs. So to count the number of SNPs, we can say bcftools, okay, and we indicate SNPs, and we call the file. We add a pipe and we say grep-v. C, we indicate our pattern, and then we run this command. So this will give us the number of SNPs. Okay, so we have that there. So we have the number here. Okay, let's proceed. Let's count the number of indels. So the same command, but this time -v we change to indels. All other statements remain the same. So we specify the file, grep, we indicate our pattern, we run this command. So this will give us the number of indels. That has also been given. If you want the sum of the SNPs and indels, you can do that. So you can say bcftools u-v. We say SNPs, indels, and we specify the file name. We give our grep command. We indicate our pattern. So this should give us the sum of the number of SNPs and indels. Okay, that has also been given to us. So that's about it.